Hi, let's talk about finding the slope of a line using the following points. M represents slope. So we're going to find the slope using these coordinates, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. So 3 is our x sub 1, that's our first x. 8 is our y sub 1, that's our first y. 4 is our x sub 2, that's our second x. 6 is our y sub 2, that's our second y. We're going to use the formula m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And m means slope. So the first thing the formula is asking for is y sub 2. Y sub 2 is 6. Now the formula is asking for the subtraction sign. Write your subtraction sign. Now the formula wants y sub 1. Y sub 1 is 8. Now the formula is asking for this division bar. Draw that. Now the formula wants x sub 2. X sub 2 is 4. Replace it with the 4. The formula is asking for the negative sign. Replace it with the negative sign. Now the formula wants x sub 1. X sub 1 is 3. We're going to replace it with 3. So 6 minus 8 equals negative 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Therefore, your slope is negative 2. Now let's find the slope using our TI calculator. Okay. All right, here we go. The first thing you want to select when finding the slope, we're going to use stat. So here is stat here, right underneath the delete key, press stat. You're going to see edit. Edit is already highlighted. Press edit. All right. Now we have line 1 and line 2. The x values go in line 1. So remember, our x values are 3 and 4. So I'm going to enter 3, then press enter. Then I'm going to select 4, then press enter. So we have our x values just as they were listed in the coordinates. Now the y values go in line 2. Our y values are 8 and 6. So I will press 8 and then enter. Oh, I need to take that out. Delete out that. Take out the 8 using the delete key here. Tab over to the y values. So the y values are 8 and 6. So here I will press 8, then enter, 6, then enter. The next thing I need you to press, you're going to go back to stat. Press stat. Now you need to tab over to calc. Use your arrow key, tab over the calc. Select option 4 where it says linear regression. This is going to write an equation for you and find the slope. So press 4, and then once you get the formula again, press enter. All right, so the equation that we're looking for is y equals mx plus b. Now, in your calculator, a is going to represent the slope. Okay, so a is the slope. Where it says a is negative 2, that is your slope. And so b is where the graph would touch the y-intercept. So you can actually write an equation. So you would write y is equal to negative 2x, and that's plus 14. So it found the slope and wrote an equation for you. So this is the way you find your slope using the formula as well as the calculator.